In this video, we will explore an Arduino-based smart lock system using an IR remote, OLED display, servo motor, and a buzzer. This project includes two programs, one to set the initial 4-digit password and another to control the lock system. In the Arduino IDE, open the password setup sketch first. This program runs once to set the password using the IR remote. The OLED shows the STEM Smart Labs logo, then prompts the user to enter a new password. Each digit is shown as an asterisk with an underscore indicating the next input. The password is encrypted using a simple XOR method before saving. Once done, press the OK button to store the password and a confirmation message appears. Now upload the IR remote lock code. This program monitors the IR signals and displays the current lock status on the OLED, showing enter password, unlocked or locked out. The servo acts as a physical lock, while the NeoPixel LEDs give a visual feedback. Green for correct entry and red for wrong ones. If the wrong password is entered 3 times, the system locks out for 10 seconds. EEPROM is used to store failed attempt counts, so the system remembers them even after power loss. Once unlocked, press OK again to relock the system. This project provides secure, user-friendly operation with clear queues and basic encryption. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.